Good morning, Keller Williams, and welcome back to the KW Command 66-Day Challenge 7.0. And today is day 37. So yesterday we wrapped up our training on the Reports applet. Today we're going to dive into the Designs applet. And I'm going to show you a little bit around the home screen of designs, and then we're going to go in and kind of check out the different kind of designs we can create and the different templates that are available to you. So let's start off by going to the Designs applet. That's going to be your paintbrush icon here. So we'll click on Designs and get into the Designs home screen. So on this home screen, on the main panel down below, you're going to see an entire series of all of the designs that you have previously created. Now in this case, we haven't created any designs in this demo account. So as we go through the next few days, we'll start to see some of the templates that we're creating show up in our designs library. But when you do see them down here, typically they start off as tiles or little squares, and there's usually 3 or 4 per row, and you can have several rows. On the right-hand side here in the corner, you can change that from tile view to list view. Just as a heads up, it's not going to make any difference right now on our screen, but it will as we start to add some here. But just a heads up that you do have the ability to look at a tile view or list view. You can also sort your design library by the newest created design to the oldest, which is the default. You can also switch from your oldest created design to your newest if you'd like to do that. You can filter by the type of design that you are creating. If you only want to see your email designs, your social, your print, or video designs, you can choose 1, 2, 3, or all 4 of those boxes. And finally, you do have a search bar here where you can search for a specific design name and then get anything that triggers that search to show up regardless of what type that is. So a couple of different filters, search characteristics, and sort abilities. Up here at the top right-hand corner, you do see that there is an import design button. Now this is a pretty cool option. If you have a PDF and you want to bring that PDF into Designs and perhaps make some changes, change a date, update your logo, change your headshot, any of those types of things, you have that ability here inside of import PDF files. So you can click or drag that PDF. I'll show you that in a future challenge. We'll probably go through that and show you what it looks like. But that is the import ability for a PDF file. Right now, if we want to go back to that main screen, we can click on our profile icon and log out. And that's going to take us back into Command. So from here, if we want to start a new design, we also have the ability to do that. As always, the big blue button in the top right-hand corner gets us up and running. If I click on Create Design, I'm going to see the 4 types of designs that are available to be created inside of Command. And that is an email-based design, a social-based design. These could be used for your ads or your social posts, which we talked about when we went through campaigns. We've got print designs, so think about postcards that might be used in a direct mail campaign, or you could create flyers, door hangers, trifold, bifold. We've got listing presentations, buyer presentations, a lot of things there. And then we even have a video option where you can create a quick neighborhood marketing video. It's about a minute long. It's kind of a cartoon style video that you can customize. So 4 different options there. We're going to go ahead and start off with social, probably the most popular, most often used design. So we'll click on social and then go into continue. Now, right now we open up what is called WeBrand. I think about WeBrand kind of like Canva for realtors. You have the ability now to select specific templates that you want to use for your business. And on the left-hand side here, once we click on templates, you're going to see that you have an entire series of subcategories or categories and subcategories underneath each one of them. So if I click on listings, you can see I've got assets that are underneath coming soon, for sale, just listed, just sold. And as I click on each one of these subcategories, I'm going to get a series of different designs that I could use. And in this case, these would be social-based designs. There's more underneath buyer, so we could do buyer presentation, lead generation. I mean, you can just see, I would highly recommend spend some time and kind of go through each one of these. So here's social branding, right? Some different kind of things that you could do if you wanted to have some things go out. Your Twitter cover, your LinkedIn cover, your Facebook covers. There's things here for leadership. You may or may not have access to this. Holiday, this is pretty cool. So you've got all of different holidays and then different posts that you could do for each one of the months. So here's December that we're in while we're recording, and you've got several different social designs available for all of our December holidays. So my first recommendation is that you take some time, come into Designs. You can start off with social and look at all of the different templates that are available. And then once you've kind of gotten an idea of what's available in social, my recommendation is to log out, come back, and actually create a design for print. And let's just see what's available in the print side. This is just you kind of getting an idea of what all is available for templates inside of Designs. So right now you can see we're just in our December holiday still because that's what we had open. There's actually 3 different postcards that you have available that you could use for December holidays. If we come back to listings, let's just say we've got a for sale listing. Well, I've got door hanger templates, I've got flyer based templates, I've got postcard templates, bifold, trifold, right? All of these are different categories of templates for these specific subcategories of the different styles of templates that can be created. So that's the first challenge that I would recommend that you go through. Come in and kind of look at, especially social and print, all of the different categories that are available for you. Like there's business cards. Did you know you have business card templates available in Command? A lot of your market centers are creating these for you. But if not, or if you wanted to do something different, you've got, just as one example, business card templates. You've got email signature templates, letterhead templates, right? All of these different styles of things available to you. So that's really it for today. I just wanted to do a brief introduction to Designs. Tomorrow we're actually going to dive into creating a social asset. So stay tuned for that. We'll go through the editing. We'll show you how to change out logos, text, photos, shapes, colors, etc. So that'll happen tomorrow. But today, just a brief introduction to the Designs Applet, the 4 different styles of designs that you can create, and how to look at all the categories and subcategories. As always, guys, hope you're having a fantastic day, and I'll look forward to talking to you again soon.